Today we're delving into the Lalahome Real Fountain Daily Fresh Pet Fountain, a breakthrough for your furry pals. Priced somewhat at $169, this fountain is a health revolution rather than simply a water dispenser. The pets will remain hydrated with perfect water free from contaminants and smells, thanks to its whisper-quiet running and modern filtering technology. The most detrimental aspect is, however, that the design of the fountain recycles drained water into a reservoir for your indoor plants, therefore lowering your water cost. This is right, saving you money while ensuring your dogs and plants are happy. Also, easy to maintain and clean guarantees hassle-free ownership. And if you find that remarkable, wait until you learn about its elegant contemporary style that fits any kind of home decor. Get yours right now and give your pet to the luxury they deserve. This tech-savvy solution for pet hydration is not missed. Presenting the SiiPet, world's first pet behavior analysis camera, available for $179. The following clever gadget tracks your pet's movements, emotions, and health signals like activity levels and feeding habits using artificial intelligence and face recognition. Get real-time notifications on your smartphone for either humorous or nervous actions. Interactive tools help address dispensing and distant play, therefore lowering separation anxiety. Designed with security in mind, it provides safe cloud storage and protected data transfer. By line with Alexa and Google Home, fit into your smart home configuration. SiiPet transforms pet care by improving your relationship with your animal family members with a modern design and easy-to-use smartphone interface. Keep in touch and educated about your pet like never before. At $428, the first refrigerated smart pet feeder. The groundbreaking gadget keeps your pet's food fresh and healthy by combining a smart feeding system with a refrigerated chamber. Schedule and track feeding times remotely using an easy app, therefore guaranteeing your pet receives meals on time every time. This refrigerated storage preserves tastes and prevents spoiling of food. It has options for portion control to precisely regulate your pet's nutrition. Built with simplicity in mind, it has sleek, contemporary look and easily cleaned sections. In harmony with voice-controlled devices like Alexa and Google Home, fit for your smart home system. SoCool simplifies feeding schedules and improves the health and welfare of your cat. With SoCool, where freshness meets technology, embrace the future of pet care. Meet PetSnowy, the creative self-cleaning litter box sold for $579. This sophisticated method does the tiresome chore of littering your pet. Device automatically sweeps garbage into a sealed chamber using clever sensors and a timed mechanism, therefore controlling odors and preserving cleanliness. Easy access trays for simple dumping and refilling let the litter box be conveniently handy. The elegant, little form fits well in any kind of house and provides a sanitary area for your pet that lowers your cleaning responsibility. In line with many kinds of litter, it guarantees adaptability in handling your pet's preferences. PetSnowy sets a new benchmark in pet care technology and will let you enjoy the height of simplicity and cleanliness. The initial digital pet health platform set at $114. This creative gadget combines cutting-edge technologies to track your pet's health indicators instantly. With vital indicators to activity levels, Felcana offers comprehensive information available via a simple app. This records behavior trends and provides individualized health advice to improve proactive pet care. Felcana is lightweight and cozy for dogs to wear. It's meant for convenience. Constant monitoring and alarms for any deviations from typical health criteria provide peace of mind. In line with iOS and Android, it fits your digital way of life and helps you to maximize the welfare of your pet, unlike anything else. Felcana's neighborhood also helps you connect with vets and other pet owners, therefore strengthening your network for managing pet health. Costing $79, a stress-free microcurrent toothbrush for pets. This groundbreaking gadget improves your pet's oral care regimen using soft microcurrent technology. It gently eliminates tartar and plaque without inflicting pain, therefore encouraging better gums and cleaner breath. Oreze guarantees simplicity of usage for owners as well as dogs with its gentle bristles and easy grasp. Designed to lower anxiety, it runs silently and least obtrusive, therefore relieving brushing sessions of tension. Appropriate for daily use, the rechargeable, water-resistant toothbrush is using Oreze, where creativity meets care in pet dental hygiene, easily improve the oral condition of your pet. Find out how Oreze makes dental treatment a bonding experience with your pet, therefore promoting a better and happier way of life. At $55, the intelligent water fountain for pet care is accessible. This modern fountain guarantees best hydration for your dogs by combining clever technology with elegant style. It has a triple filtration system that maintains fresh and clean water, therefore drawing in dogs to drink more. Smart sensors in Imeow monitor water levels and quality, then automatically change flow to maintain freshness. Operating with a low energy usage and a quiet pump, it runs effectively without upsetting your house environment. Health and simplicity of cleaning come first in the ergonomic design of the fountain and in BPA-free materials. Working with iOS and Android applications, Imeow lets you remotely monitor and change water flow and schedule. With Imeow, where creativity meets pet care for a healthier, happier companion, improve the welfare of your pet. At $159, which Furspark Big Eye, AI-powered pet sentry and feeder. The multi-purpose tool transforms your pet's care by serving as both an automated feeder and a pet monitor. Loaded with artificial intelligence, this identifies and informs you about the pet's movements and activities in real time, thus assuring peace of mind when you are at home or abroad. Set via a user-friendly app, the integrated feeder delivers meals at set intervals. Its elegant, contemporary style fits with any kind of home decor. The dual audio channels and high-definition video let you monitor and engage from away. Perfect for automated assistance, it provides flawless connection into your smart home arrangement. Furspark Big Eye combines security, convenience, and cutting-edge technology in one clever package to improve the welfare of your pet. The world's first tent for camping with pets. At $229, this creative tent is meant to fit for your furry friend as well as you comfortably on outdoor activities. This offers a secure and cozy haven for dogs of all kinds, with its roomy interior and robust weather-resistant materials. Their unusual construction guarantees airflow and a view for your furry friend by including mesh panels for ventilation and visibility. Simple to put up and pack, it's light and portable for easy travel. Pawsible keeps your pet safe from the elements and encourages outdoor connection. Ideal for beach stops, hiking, or camping, this tent improves your pet's outdoor life. Through Pawsible, where luxury and convenience collide for amazing pet-friendly travels, embrace adventure. Competitively costing $149, the world's safest dog ball launcher is designed with security in mind. This creative tool guarantees your furry friend's interactive fun, free from compromise. Modern sensors and a soft launching mechanism stop unintentional launches, therefore safeguarding your dog's welfare. Good for indoor and outdoor usage, adjustable launching distances fit different play conditions and dog sizes. Pets of all ages will find a comforting grip included in its ergonomic design to make handling simple. At line with many ball sizes, it encourages active play and exercise, therefore supporting a good lifestyle for your pet. UAHpet iRetriever provides long-lasting performance and pleasure with integrated rechargeable batteries and robust design. Through UAHpet iRetriever, find the ideal mix of fun and protection to strengthen your relationship with your dog via interesting play sessions.